Responders series, Clark County is still cleaning up from the EF2 tornado that struck Enterprise on February 5th. But recently they got some help from another county. In this unique edition of First Responders, we update you on the storm cleanup and those helping out. Here's News Center 11's Tom Williams.
Nice and common courtesy goes a long ways.
Wesley Keys is the leader of a crew out of Lamar County that's helping Enterprise put things back to normal after February's EF2 tornado.
The extra help and the time frame of getting everything cleaned up, getting things back to normal, that means a lot to people. People that have to work every day and come home and see a mess, they want to come home and see things back to normal. Amazingly,
no one was killed when the storm came through. Hundreds of trees were thrown down or snapped, many of them narrowly missing homes on County Road 370. The aftermath for such a storm is one that Lamar County knows all too well. They've had several large tornadoes over the last 4 years.
They knew exactly what to do. To be honest with you, they kind of told us what to do in a way. And so we took their advice.
Clark County Road Manager Brian Dace says this helping hand is more than the county could have ever asked for.
They done it without any reservation whatsoever. And we just don't know. We can't thank them enough.
Throughout last week, the crew averaged just over 30 dump truck loads a day. For a crew of about 10, that's an amazing feat that is appreciated.
Even a 1 week of the assistance from them is a huge step in the right direction for us to get back to normal, to give our crews the assistance that they need.
Clark County crews have been working since the night of the storm, but the amount of debris is just overwhelming.
Our crews have been out through the storm. They've been out in the rain and the wind right after the storm, trying to clear roads, get emergency access. They've done a lot of work. We've got a lot of work left to do.
The help provided by Lamar County is free of charge. With the crisis the world is facing, it's good to know people are coming together and helping others in a time of need. It certainly provides a significant level of confidence for those going through a tough time.
And those 5 supervisors wanted to reach out and help them the best way that they knew how. And that was sending these trucks and equipment and men trying to help put these people's county back together.
District 3 Supervisor Joel Speed, he just got right on it. Our men are dedicated, our men really work hard. They really have the interest of the people in mind here, so we'll be there.
For First Responders, Tom Williams, News Center.
Here in West Seneca, where the owners of Tom and Luigi's Tailor Shop have altered their plans, now helping healthcare workers on the front lines deal with the shortage of protective masks.
We've been in business for over 30 years.
Luigi Colana followed his father into the family craft, one that has its roots in Tom Colana's native Italy. But like many small businesses, their trade is being tested in a new way because of the coronavirus.
This was one of our busiest times of the years with prom season coming up and wedding season, but now that everything has been closed or canceled, it's taken a big effect on our business.
But rather than completely close up shop, Tom and Luigi turned their attention to helping others through the crisis. With hospitals, doctors, and nurses facing a shortage of protective equipment, family back in Italy encouraged them to start making face masks.
At this point, anything could help to protect them and their patients and their clients as well.
Over the weekend, they made about 800 masks, some from washable cotton, others from a material similar to disposable surgical masks. They sell for $3 or $4 each. After putting a message out on social media, healthcare workers have rushed to call on Tom and Luigi for help.
Well, right now we have nothing. We don't have masks. We're limited on our gloves. We're told to wash our hands and do the best we can.
Mary KULINSKI is a registered nurse with the Visiting Nurses Association of Western New York, often working with patients who already have compromised immune systems. She stopped by the tailor shop Monday morning to buy about 15 masks.
We're looking for any way that we could protect our patients any better than just walking in with nothing.
These masks don't block out the germs as well as the N95 masks that medical professionals commonly use. But Mary even suggested Luigi make a pocket so she can put her own high-grade filter inside.
We know that we're going to go through thousands and thousands and thousands of masks in the next couple months. We need to find an alternative way.
Making alterations. Just another day on the job for Tom and Luigi.
I've been working 15 hours a day. Now my son got me working 22 hours a day. I'm glad to help whatever we could do. Thank you.
In West
find
Seneca.
new ways to stay with your kids. But what about those parents who can't take off work right now? The first responders, those in those essential jobs. WNKY's Josh Short has an answer.
The threat of the ever-spreading COVID-19 has caused plenty of closures. However, for first responders and healthcare workers, the work doesn't stop. On Monday, the Barron County Family YMCA rolled out a program called Emergency Child Care Camp, specifically for children whose parents work in those essential fields.
Us being able to support them means the world to us. You know, they're on the front lines. They're putting their lives at risk. This is the least we can do to help those who are helping others.
While the Family YMCA is closed to the public and the fitness center and pool aren't operational, those attending the camp have the opportunity to have fun, play board games, and get homework help for their non-traditional instruction. Those in these essential fields say they're thankful for the program.
That's a wonderful asset to us. You know, the firefighters, they're here for 24 hours. They don't have to worry about their children being taken care of, with that being open and all.
It's just a wonderful opportunity for TJ Sampson and the YMCA to partner even further to keep that facility open to the children, especially here at TJ Sampson when their parents are working.
With the busy lives these people live, childcare is now one thing they won't have to worry about.
As a parent myself, childcare in general can be stressful, wondering where your child's going to go, and I know that once they started to close down a lot of the healthcare centers, or that was the plan, that probably put a lot of extra stress on our staff.
It's a wonderful thing, you know. Just thinking back, the last time that we really saw this was September 11th, when you really seen the community kind of coming together and supporting one another.